Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Burn pen is probably one of the most versatile and creative tools for woodworking enthusiasts and artists alike, allowing you to transform ordinary pieces of wood into personalized masterpieces with intricate designs and unique textures. In this video, we will explore the top burn pens available in the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the perfect tool to elevate your woodworking projects to the next level. Number 5. Walnut Hollow Creative Woodburner. Introducing the Walnut Hollow Creative Woodburner, a fantastic tool for beginners. It's easy to use and perfect for exploring the art of woodburning. This woodburning pen comes with 4 interchangeable tips: cone, shading, universal, and flow. Each tip offers unique capabilities, allowing you to create a wide variety of designs. It heats up to 950 degrees and has a convenient on-off switch for precise temperature control. This ensures you have the right heat for every project. Safety is key. Use the included stand to protect your work surface from heat. Adult supervision is recommended for users under 14. Everything you need is included, along with complete instructions. It's UL approved for safe use in the USA and Canada. Get started today. With its simple design and multiple tips, it makes woodburning accessible to everyone. Unleash your inner artist and create beautiful, personalized pieces. What we like. It features multiple tips for versatile designs and a convenient on-off switch. If you're new to woodburning and want a safe, easy-to-use tool, this is perfect for you. Its simple design makes it ideal for beginners to learn and create their first woodburning masterpieces. Number 4. Scorch Marker Pyrography Kit. Unleash your creativity with the Scorch marker, the easy-to-use wood-burning pen. It's perfect for adding unique designs to your projects. Simply draw your design, apply heat, and watch it magically burn into the wood. No complicated tools needed. It features both brush and bullet tips, giving you the flexibility to create a wide variety of designs. Perfect for any skill level. Sand your wood, shake the marker, and let your imagination run wild. It's a safe and simple way to transform any piece of wood. Personalize your cutting boards and kitchen tools with this harmless and fun method. Create thoughtful gifts or unique designs for yourself. Whether you freehand or use stencils, it makes woodburning easy and enjoyable. Turn your ideas into stunning works of art. What we like. This 2-in-1 design offers both brush and bullet tips for diverse artistic expression. It's incredibly user-friendly, requiring no prior experience. If you're looking for a quick and safe way to add woodburn designs to your projects, this pen is your best bet. What people say. It works like in the video. The students found them easy to use. Slow and steady wins the race. Number 3. SUIUBUY Woodburning Pen Kit. This wood-burning pen makes creating intricate designs simple and safe. It's much easier to use than traditional wood-burning tools, and you'll get professional-looking results in less time. The pen uses heat-activated, non-toxic chemicals. Just prep your wood surface, apply your design, and use a heat source to bring your creation to life. Unleash your creativity with this versatile tool. It's perfect for crafting unique gifts or personalizing home decor. It's easy to use and produces beautiful results. From customized coasters to rustic signs, the possibilities are endless. Create personalized gifts or fun home projects that will impress your friends and family. We stand behind our product 100%. If you're not completely satisfied, for any reason, simply contact us for a full refund. No questions asked. We've updated our packaging to better showcase our brand and provide even clearer instructions. You may still receive the older packaging, but the product remains the same. What we like. It comes with 2 pens and extra tips, allowing for intricate designs and longer use. This is the safest option for creating precise and detailed designs. If you value precision and safety in your wood-burning projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Lines are crisp and clean. I also didn't have to concentrate the heat as much as I did with the paste, so, with careful use, you can avoid the scorch marks around the design. Was easy to work with and I already had a good heat gun, darkened the area and it looks great. will be using it on more projects. The tree was done with the Scorch pen and it's super dark. But the Scorch paste didn't come out as dark. So, if you want super dark burn effect, use this pen. It does stink, so have good ventilation, and depending on the type of wood it does have a sticky finish for about 3 days. So keep that in mind. Number 2. Teexpert Wood Burning Kit. Transform your wooden projects into stunning works of art with this wood burning kit. It's designed to burn your designs onto wood surfaces in just 5 to 10 minutes, making it safe, simple, and efficient for both beginners and experienced artists. With its squeegee and a thin layer of burn paste, this 4 ounces 125G wood burning gel is perfect for drawings on stencils and large wooden pieces. Use a heat gun to bring your designs to life in just 1 to 3 minutes. This double-sided Scorch pen has oblique and bullet tips, ideal for small details or large designs. Simply press the tip to release the ink and start sketching, it's that easy. This kit includes wood burning paste, 2 wood burning pens with 4 different nibs, a squeegee, and sandpaper. All components are safe, non-toxic, and easy to use. It can be used on various wooden items, from small signs to large furniture. It's perfect for gift making, crafting, and more, making it a great gift for any occasion. What we like. This kit includes a variety of tips and wood burning paste for a wide range of projects. It's a complete kit for both beginners and experienced artists. If you desire a versatile and complete wood burning experience, this kit is for you. What people say. This was so easy to use. The instructions tell you just what to do, anyone could do. So much easier than using an actual wood burner. It does. I will definitely use this product for many of my craft projects. Number 1. Wood Burn Paste Pen Kit. Transform ordinary wood into stunning works of art with our complete wood burning kit. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, allowing you to easily create personalized designs in minutes. Simply apply the wood burning gel using the silicone squeegee, wait a few minutes, and then use a heat gun to bring your design to life. It's that simple. For intricate designs and smaller pieces, our dual-sided Scorch pen offers precision and control. It's ideal for adding fine details to your creations. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started: wood burning gel, Scorch pen, sandpaper, beeswax, and more. Everything is safe and non-toxic. Make unique and memorable gifts for your loved ones. The possibilities are endless with this versatile wood burning kit. Share the joy of crafting. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this kit provides the tools and materials you need to create beautiful, personalized wood crafts. Get started today. What we like. It uses wood burning paste for quick and easy application. The process is simple, making it perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a fast and efficient way to add beautiful designs to your wood projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked well, took a minute to learn the correct temperature to heat things with, but it was great. We bought this a few days before our wedding with a big idea to make custom centerpieces, and it worked. Makes wood burning a breeze. So easy to use, especially the pen. Works great. A little goes a long way. Works really well with the heat gun. Comes out with nice sharp lines. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.